Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we will cover this one, service VPN prefer ISP lab. Actually, this policy is related to that. If any user want, on that day we have also discussed, but again I'm repeating. Suppose any at any site you want that my VPN 10 will prefer the MPLS or the internet, anything you can configure. So means whatever you will configure, that LAN site VPN will prefer that ISP, and the backup will be another one, so that you will not face any performance issue. Means whatever link you feel that okay, this link already have a good performance, and these users are very important for me, like any higher management or any engineering or any LAN lab things or any critical servers that you want that or any critical users that they access the critical applications. So you don't want that the performance should be degraded for those users. So those something you can configure that these prefixes or these VPN will prefer always this ISP, and second ISP will be as a backup. So this policy we called service VPN prefer ISP policy. So that document I am also having, I will share with you. Here it is. 15. Okay, that is already on 10th. So the same thing is applicable for this policy also. You need to do some homework before that, means any list you will require, so you will need to create that one. So if I will take example, so here we are seeing that source and destination. For example, we are configuring for the hub site that user want to access this one 10.50.50.2 from VPN 10, so that will prefer any of the link I will configure. So let me first check the flows, how currently it is going on, and then we will configure the policy. Then after we will see that what is the difference we are able to see after configuring the policy, it is following or not. So first let me go to the network. I'm on branch 1, so branch 1 Delhi. Go to troubleshooting and simulate flows. So if I will configure this policy for VPN 10, so source IP is this, destination is 10.50.50.2, and I will check the simulate flows. Then I can see there is a 4 path, because branch 1 also having 2 links and branch this DC also having 2 links. So one link is from internet into internet, second MPLS to MPLS, third is internet to MPLS, and fourth is MPLS to internet. Okay, so here we can see the 4 path currently available. It is showing shift remote system IP, which is the DC IP, and encapsulation is IPsec. So now we will configure the policies. Let me check that what all is required to configure this one, what kind of list we will require. So okay, what we are calling in this one, VPN list and color list. Okay, that's it. So I think we already have that one. I will check on the list. VPN list, VPN 10 we already have, color list, MPLS and internet we already have. Okay, so let me go to policy, click on add.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.